the module Cultures and Societies of Arab-Speaking Countries, which is a 6 weeks module, which is a course taught by Save Cultural Heritage Group. I am myself an MA graduate from SOAS, a university in London, in social anthropology. I am very much passionate about any topics related to the North Africa and the Middle East. I am myself multicultural, and I come from a background which is Iraqi, Algerian, and European. So it is a topic I'm very much passionate about. I have been a trainer previously for corporate businesses. I have also been an assistant professor for the University of Baghdad, and have also been a fitness trainer. I hope you will enjoy this course as much as I have, as this is a topic and a subject which is not much dwelled upon, because the Arab world is a very multifaceted area with many identities and cultures, and I think today, with the way Arabs and the Arab world is seen, it is very important to be able to explore the Arab world with an open mind and really showcase how deep and intricate the societies are, and how being Arab or coming from an Arab country is something that it has a multitude of meanings wherever you are. So we will delve and start with the historical perspective, looking at the Middle East and North Africa right before the expansion of the Arabic language. And we will follow that through until the Arabic language becomes a lingua franca in many of the areas in North Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, and the Middle East. And then we will also explore how these countries were created, the process in society in creating this identity, this Arab identity, and also Arab nationalism that has existed throughout this century. So I hope you will enjoy this course as much as I will, and join us and enroll, and I will be very pleased to meet you all. Thank you.